I'm Dorcas Allen. I'm the owner of Hot Hand Salon. I've been in the business for about 9 years now, and I love what I do. I treat it as not a job, but it's something that I just love to do. I love being able to make people into something that they didn't see before they came and sat in my chair. So it's the beauty of that. I feel like what I do is artistry, because to be able to take something and make it into something that it wasn't before. Artistry to me is being able to take that woman that has low self-esteem, that has image problems, that has, things that's going on in her life that you can't see from the outside. But once someone sits in my chair, I'm able to take that and use what I do as a tool to uplift them, to encourage them, to just make someone's day. And that's just the beauty of it.